Messing up. What a beautiful sunny day. Oh no, bee. Oh my God, it's over. This is Mom's favorite dress. Andy, what are you doing? I'm washing clothes. We have a washing machine. Why do you wash your clothes by hand? Because I accidentally spilled coffee on it. Let me help. I can do it myself. It's your dress. I bought it for the party this weekend. The dress is so beautiful. Now look at it. How did you? Calm down, Mom. I'll fix it. Taking tests. Do you have a test tomorrow? Yes. Why don't you study for tomorrow's test? After this cartoon ends, I will. Okay, remember that. The previous cartoon has ended. This is another cartoon, right? Yes, Mom. Go to your room and study. You have promised. Okay, Mom. The book makes me sleepy. I'll study after reading this comic book. Oh no, I fell asleep. I still haven't studied anything for today's test. This question is too difficult. I should have studied instead of watching TV and reading a comic book. Helen is busy. Helen, Andrew's house has a pool party tonight. He invited me there. Do you want to go with me? No, I need to study for tomorrow's test. It's Andrew's party, my handsome friend. Not today. Good luck with tomorrow's test. This is a cake I just made. Taste it. Mom, I'm studying. I'll taste it when I finish studying. I made it for you. Okay. How does it taste? It's good. Now I need quiet time to study. Okay. Do you think this tie is right for me? Yes. You're right. Helen is busy. Do not disturb. Introducing myself. I want to be a member of your soccer team. Have you played soccer before? Not yet, but... Why do you want to play soccer? Because... Our team is full. Wait! Let me introduce myself. You have 2 minutes. I'm Eden Henry. I moved here 2 weeks ago. I haven't joined any soccer team before, but I love soccer. The first time when I watched you guys play, I was impressed. Give me a chance to join you guys in bringing victory to our school. I'll practice hard, I promise.
Welcome to our team.
Thank you.
A long wait. I want to ride the roller coaster. Agree. I also like thrilling games. Go there and buy tickets. Aw, no, so crowded. That means that this is a game that is loved by a lot of people. But queuing like this is very time-consuming. It's worth a try. All right. Today is Saturday. That's why this place is very crowded. Hey, do you know how to play this game? Let me show you. This game is fun. And we're still here waiting. What a long wait. The teacher takes away his phone.
Don't yawn anymore.
Her lecture is boring. I can't focus.
I find it very interesting.
So leave me alone. Focus on your interesting lecture.
Of course. And don't yawn. That makes me lose interest. Hey!
What?
Don't use your phone while studying. The teacher won't be happy.
Leave me alone, please. What's up? What are you doing? Nothing. You know the rule. No phone in my class. Yes, teacher. After class, come to see me and get your phone back. Yes, teacher.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.